Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 27th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of June, 2025, our system has categorized NIO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.17. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows a loss of 0.00% since we initially recommended a hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may occur within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 3.86% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 16.90% to an increase of 16.60%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected decline of 16.48%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of 38.16% to an increase of 51.99% in the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of $2.14 to $5.26. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock upgraded to hold accumulate. The NIO stock price gained 1.17% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 27th of June, 2025, rising from $3.42 to $3.46. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.57%, with a low of $3.40 and a high of $3.55. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.42% over this period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. An additional 31 million shares were traded compared to the previous day. In total, 62 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $215.27 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 55.12%, or $4.25, below the 52-week high, and 94.84%, or $63.53, below the all-time high on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. Recent developments surrounding NIO have significant implications for its stock price, both in the short and long term. As of the 27th of June, NIO's competitive position has come under scrutiny, particularly against rival XPeng, which has demonstrated stronger revenue growth and technological advancements. This heightened competition may dampen investor enthusiasm, potentially leading to further downward pressure on NIO's stock in the short term. Moreover, NIO is targeting a sales rebound of 72,000 to 75,000 units for the second quarter, aiming to stabilize its cash flow and return to positive free cash flow by the end of 2025. If achieved, this rebound could instill confidence in investors, offering a possible uplift in stock performance. However, NIO is also contending with market volatility driven by tariffs, which has negatively impacted its share price, showing a nearly 20% drop this year compared to its peers. This may lead to a cautious sentiment among investors in the near term, as shown by increased searches for NIO stocks, indicating heightened interest but also a critical evaluation of its current market conditions. In the long term, NIO's focus on new model rollouts and enhancing vehicle margins suggests potential for improvement in its financial health. If these strategies succeed, they could lead to a recovery in market confidence, positively impacting its stock price over time. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NIO a neutral rating, accompanied by an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating, along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating, along with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an Outperform rating with an upgrade action. Analysts had assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and view the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, and so far, it has risen 1.47%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been released, which may impact the short-term outlook. The NIO stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Nevertheless, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this overall sell signal presents a more negative forecast for the stock. In the event of further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $3.72. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $3.44. A breakthrough above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall sentiment. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.36, which may present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction is expected when this support level is tested. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 15.5 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 4.57%. Throughout the past week, the daily average volatility has been recorded at 4.18%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 470 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.52. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.36. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade was on 2016, February 24th, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sell of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.26, reflecting a decrease of 5.76%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has been triggered from a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several positive signals. However, we believe these are still insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this time, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Our analysis has been updated since the last evaluation, changing our recommendation from a sell to a hold or accumulate position. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 30th of June, we anticipate that NIO will open higher by approximately 830 cents and begin trading at $3.47. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.